Now it's time to start learning the new topic, okay? And that is what? Substitution. Fine. So in the substitution, as we already discussed, what we are going to do here, whenever you are doing the substitution, basically you are substituting the value of the variable, okay? Or else if I will tell you, in the algebra, substitution means replacing variable by the number, okay? So what is the rule? You just have to replace variable, okay? Whatever value is given to you, you can substitute that, okay? And here we have the two steps. Step number one, replace the variable with the number. And step number two, apply the bid mass and simplify it, okay? Getting the bid mass already you know, okay? So let's solve this question. Here, if I'm saying A equals to 2 and B equals to 1, C equals to 1, okay? So find the value of 2A minus 4B plus 5C. Yes, everyone, please try to solve this question. Up to this, I received 4 answers. Okay, I got 14 answers. Remaining members, continue solving. I need more answers. We are the member around 79, so I need at least 45 answers. 29 answers up to now. 36, more 4 answers. Then I can explain. Okay, 42. Okay, let's start solving. Okay, so here, whenever you get this question, you have to be very, very sure you are going to put the value very correctly. Okay, so see here 2A is given to you. So instead of this A, you can write 2. Instead of this B, you can write 1. And instead of this C, you can write 1. Okay, and now whatever you have, as you know, 2A it means what? 2 times 2, and that is how much? 4. Okay, here you have the 4, and in between sign will remain same. Here it is what? 4 times 1, and here it is 5 times 1, right? Okay, so this is going to be what? Minus 4, and this is going to be what? Plus 5. So plus 4 minus 4 going to be 0, and plus 5 will be your answer, right? This one is going to be plus 5. So here you can summarize like 2 times 2, that is the 4. You can write directly, okay? There is no problem. Instead of B, you can write 1. So 4 times 1, that is the minus 4. And then C equals to 1, it means 5 times 1, that is the plus 5, okay? So that's it. 0 plus 5, and that is the 5. Okay,